today I'm going to review this job profile from Statestreet, which is a leading wealth management company, asset management company in the US. It has operations in many parts of the world, including in Europe, in India as well. So this profile is based out of Boston in the US. It's a quantitative research analyst profile, which is a mid-year senior sort of a profile, at an ABP profile, assistant vice president. So it's not a very junior profile, but it's not a very senior profile either, right? And this profile, this job is in the quantitative risk systematic equity research team. So as the name suggests, it's about doing research, quantitative research for equity selection, right? So that's what people do in wealth management, but it can be done in various ways. You could use mathematical models for that, but you could also use fundamental research for that. But this is a quantitative team, so they use mathematical models for selection of stocks, and that's how they ensure that they have a good risk adjusted return. Okay, and this is a very technical profile. That means it's not a profile where you will be talking to clients and bringing in businesses. It's more of a research and technical profile. That's why it's a quantitative research analyst. The name of the profile is quantitative research analyst. Uh, right. So a bit about uh, the team. The systematic equity team manages a wide range of quantitative equity strategies over a broad active risk spectrum across global markets. So it's not just about the US market, but also the entire global capital market. The team has a deep history of delivering innovative risk control alpha to our clients, and we are looking for someone who can help shape the next phase of a growth with extraordinary analytical skills. I mean, goes without saying that because this is a quantitative role, you are expected to have good analytical skills in the field of finance. So we'll be doing work related to data and modeling as you can expect, right, in any quantitative job profile, right? So what are the expectations? The team you will be joining is part of the Statestate Global Advisors, one of the biggest asset managers in the world that provides services towards governments, institutions, and financial advisors across the globe. So the clients could be, governments, institutions, private institutions, public institutions, and so on, like pension funds and on, and also banks and insurance companies and so on. With our and also even private individuals, I'm sure, with over 4 decades of experience and trillions of dollars in assets under management, we offer one of the broadest sections of services across asset classes, risk profiles, regions, and styles. As pioneers in index, ETFs, and ESG investing, we are always inventing new ways to invest. So again, it's about the equity research profile, but it's not a typical equity research job profile wherein you'll be valuing company using fundamental research, something that you learn from corporate finance, but you will be doing more data research. You will be building mathematical models, econometrics models, machine learning models to generate investing ideas. This is again not trading profile. This is not about finding short-term opportunities in the stock market to buy and sell and in the process make money. I think that's not this profile is about. You will be responsible for generating ideas for investment process innovations and improvements with key focus on alpha generation. So alpha generation is loosely speaking profit generation and portfolio construction, execute research projects including interpreting, presenting, and implementing results. So it's not just about doing research, but it's also about implementing the work. That means it also involves some IT work, and that's also the reason why they look for someone who is not just good at finance and doing research, but also can handle coding and do implementation of the models and so on. In some places, you have engineers doing that, but in many places, you have to do end to end as a quant. What qualification is needed? Advanced degree for most quant profiles in asset management firms, you need to have a PhD. But even without a PhD, you can get into such profiles. If you have a master's degree in finance, economics, mathematics, computer science, you don't have to have a qualification in finance, right? If you have a qualification in physics, maths, statistics, engineering, computer science, or any of these fields, which these fields are very quantitative, mathematical, then it's okay for them, right? 2 years of experience in quantitative finance or data science, which is very unusual. Not many quant firms consider your data science experience from other industry to be useful, but this particular firm is okay with that. So even if I worked as a data scientist in other industries, not in the financial service industry, it's still okay. Deep knowledge of equity investment, and you have should have good skills in Python and SQL and R. Goes without saying, these are important skills to have for any quants. They use Python and not C++, but they also use R actually, which is a bit strange because not many quant firms use R. R is more of an academic language and less used in the quant finance area, but they are using it. Strong knowledge and theoretical understanding of machine learning using NLP, natural language processing. As I've been saying on this channel, I think a lot of the quant firms are now moving from econometrics to machine learning. But to my knowledge, there's still more use of econometrics in the field of financial research compared to machine learning. Okay, and then experience with large amount of structured and unstructured data, tabulated data which is structured but unstructured data for NLP related activities. Okay, okay, so this is a role based out of the US. Salaries anywhere between 90K to 140K. The asset management firms don't pay as good as the quant trading firms, but it's not a bad salary either. I mean, someone with 2 year experience making 120K is amazing, and with couple of years of experience, like 10 years, 5 to 10 years of experience, then you could easily make well over 250, even 300 plus. Whereas in quant trading, probably when the beginner level salary would be 200 plus, even 300 plus in some cases. But then, the job profile is also a bit different, and stability is also a question mark in trading firms. So there are many, again, it's a different world. So for people who are interested in the stock market, you simply don't have to go for trading profiles alone, because those are jobs are very rare, right? And many people think that it's just the HFT related profiles they're interested in, nothing else. But you could also work as a quant in areas where in firms which are more into long term investing. Okay, any questions? Let me know in the